Do you think only extroverted people can be successful? It's a common stereotype, isn't it? That the loud, outgoing individuals are the ones who triumph in life. But let's challenge that notion. Picture the quiet person in the room, the one who listens more than they speak, who contemplates before making decisions, who often flies under the radar. They might be overlooked in a world that often equates success with extroversion, but these quiet individuals possess a unique set of strengths that can lead them to remarkable success. From their ability to absorb information, to their knack for building trust, to their thoughtful decision-making skills, these quiet individuals prove that silence can indeed be golden. So let's shed some light on these quiet achievers and celebrate their unique approach to life. Now, let's delve into the reasons why quiet people triumph. Ever noticed how quiet people seem to absorb information like a sponge? They are often the ones sitting back, observing and taking it all in. While it may seem like they're just passive participants, they're actually actively engaged in a process called deep listening. This is not just about hearing words, but about understanding the ideas and emotions behind them. It's about giving someone your full attention, making them feel heard and valued. This ability to listen so intently allows quiet people to absorb more information, understand different perspectives, and form well-informed opinions and insights. They're not just listening, they're learning. And this learning gives them an edge, allowing them to make better decisions, solve problems more effectively, and build stronger relationships. So, the next time you find yourself in a conversation, try to listen more than you speak. You might be surprised at what you learn. Listening, it turns out, is a powerful tool for success. Have you ever felt a sense of trust towards a quiet individual? It's an interesting phenomenon, isn't it? Quiet individuals, with their serene demeanor and thoughtful silence, often give off an aura of sincerity and honesty. They do not mingle their words with unnecessary fluff or insincere compliments. Instead, they choose their words carefully, ensuring that each spoken syllable carries weight and truth. This quietness, this reserve, can be a powerful tool in building trust. It's as if their silence speaks louder than words, echoing the sentiment of genuine interest and respect for others. In a world where noise can often be mistaken for knowledge, quiet individuals stand out as tranquil islands of authenticity. They listen more than they speak, they observe more than they show, and they understand more than they let on. This creates an environment of trust, fostering stronger, more meaningful connections. Trust, it seems, is a silent currency that quiet people have in abundance. Ever wondered why quiet people seem to make fewer mistakes? Well, a key reason is their knack for thoughtful decision-making. Instead of making knee-jerk reactions, they take the time to analyze situations deeply, weighing all the pros and cons before coming to a conclusion. This isn't to say they're indecisive. Quite the contrary. Their choices are often well considered, free of external influences, and grounded in reality. This trait allows them to avoid the pitfalls of peer pressure and hasty judgments. By allowing themselves the space to think, they open up a world of possibilities, exploring all potential outcomes, and ultimately, making decisions that lead to better results. Quiet individuals are like chess players, anticipating moves ahead of time, strategizing, and adjusting their game plan as needed. It's a process that requires patience, critical thinking, and a certain level of detachment from immediate gratification. Thoughtful decision-making, a trait common among quiet individuals, can significantly reduce errors. Have you noticed how quiet individuals always seem to have a plan? They approach life with a thoughtful strategy, meticulously setting goals and laying out the steps to reach them. This methodical approach is not about control, but rather about clarity and intention. It's about knowing where they're heading and understanding the path to get there. Imagine a chess player considering each potential move and its consequences before making a decision. That's how quiet individuals approach their goals. They don't rush into things or make impulsive decisions. Instead, they take the time to think things through, to anticipate obstacles, and to devise solutions. This careful planning doesn't just enhance their success rate, it also equips them with a sense of calm and confidence. They know they have a roadmap to navigate through life's ups and downs. And this, in turn, minimizes errors, reduces stress, and boosts their overall productivity and effectiveness. Strategic planning is indeed a silent strength of quiet individuals. Ever admired the deep concentration of a quiet individual? It's like they've entered another realm, where they are one with their task, unperturbed by the chaos around them. This ability to focus is a hallmark of quiet individuals. By being selective in what they engage with, they channel their energy into tasks that truly matter, reducing wasted efforts on trivial pursuits. This deep concentration allows for thorough work, enhancing the quality of their output. It's akin to a laser beam, cutting through the noise with precision and clarity. And don't mistake this ability for mere discipline. It's a manifestation of their innate curiosity and a desire for mastery. They delve into the depths of a subject, peeling off layers, understanding its core. This focus is not just about achieving goals. It's about the journey, the process of immersing oneself in a task, and the satisfaction derived from it. Quiet people's ability to focus is a distinct advantage in a world full of distractions. Ever marveled at the creative ideas from a quiet individual? Well, there's a reason for that. Quiet people often have a unique creative edge. This creativity isn't just happenstance, it's fueled by introspection and a rich imagination. Quiet people spend a lot of time inside their own minds, exploring thoughts, ideas, and perspectives. This introspection provides a fertile ground for creativity to flourish. They weave together unrelated concepts, find patterns where others see chaos, and innovate in ways that can leave us astounded. Their rich imagination is another key element. It's like a boundless canvas where they paint their thoughts, experiment with ideas, and visualize their dreams. This allows them to conjure up novel solutions, unique approaches, and innovative concepts. So next time you see a quiet individual lost in thought, remember, they may be on the verge of their next creative breakthrough. Creativity, it seems, thrives in quiet minds. Ever noticed how quiet individuals seem to navigate challenges smoothly? This doesn't happen by chance, but because of their strong sense of self-reliance. They don't need constant validation or approval from others to make decisions. Instead, they trust their instincts, their knowledge, their abilities. This confidence is grounded not in arrogance, but in a deep understanding of their strengths and weaknesses, and a commitment to continual learning and growth. Consider how this self-reliance plays out. When faced with a problem, a quiet person is likely to take a step back, analyze the situation, and formulate a plan. They don't rush into action or let others dictate their path. They trust their own judgment, backed by careful thought and consideration. And this approach often leads to successful outcomes, reinforcing their self-reliance and confidence. So next time you see a quiet person handling a difficult situation with grace, remember, self-reliance is indeed a silent strength of quiet individuals. Ever admired a quiet leader who leads by example? It's a characteristic that's not uncommon amongst the quietly triumphant. Instead of boasting about their achievements or constantly seeking the spotlight, these individuals let their accomplishments speak for themselves. They understand that actions, not words, are the true measure of success. By consistently delivering results and demonstrating their capabilities, they earn respect and credibility. Their leadership style is often perceived as more genuine, more authentic. It's not about being the loudest in the room or the most visible on the stage. It's about the steady, unassuming pursuit of goals, the well-planned strategies, and the careful execution. They show us that leadership is not about dominating conversations, but about guiding actions and inspiring others through one's own example. This authentic form of leadership often resonates deeply with those around them, influencing others in a more profound way. Leading by example, a trait often found in quiet individuals, is a powerful form of leadership. So, are extroverts the only ones who can succeed? This question has been thoroughly examined today, and the answer is a resounding no. We've explored the uniquely conducive qualities that quiet individuals bring to the table. Their preference for listening over talking, their calm demeanor, and their thoughtful decision-making all contribute to their success in a world that often values noise over substance. Their strategic planning, focus, creativity, and self-reliance are not just strengths, but assets that allow them to navigate life's complexities with grace and effectiveness. Their quietness is not a liability, but a distinct approach to achieving success, an approach that leverages introspection, trust-building, and thoughtful action. Remember, quiet individuals let their results speak for themselves, leading by example rather than words. This often resonates more authentically and genuinely with others. Quietness, as we've seen, is not only a strength, but a distinct approach to success.